Hey Jake, what's going on? What's going on? Look at this. My farmyard. Chicken, pig, cow and sheep. How cute. How cute. Oh, blimey.